Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the mercy of Him. This is my third English online class. In this class, I would like to welcome you. Today, I will give you a lesson on tag question and its next parts. So, in my last two classes, I have discussed some important rules and its definition. I think you have learned something from those classes. Okay, today I would like to appreciate you to enjoy the class patiently. So not to get late, I am going directly to discuss the main topic. Dear students, I will give you some idea about to have verb. You are looking to have verb, have as and had. You know, have as and have are to have verbs. Okay, it can be used through two ways. First one is auxiliary verb or helping verb. Another one is main verb. Okay, you are looking here, have, has, and had. Okay, if you see have, answer will be haven't, and hasn't for has, hadn't for had. Okay, I have done the work. You are looking some example. In these examples, you are looking to have verb, have, and a past participle form. So this is auxiliary verb. Has plus past participle form. So here has is auxiliary verb and had is auxiliary verb. If you see a past participle form after to have verb, so to have verb will be auxiliary verb, and if to have verb are auxiliaries, then the answer will be like this: haven't, hasn't, and hadn't. Okay, so here have is auxiliary verb, so answer will be haven't plus pronoun of subject I. Here has is auxiliary verb, so answer will be hasn't plus auxiliary verb, hasn't plus pronoun of subject he plus question mark. Question mark must be needed. You are looking had as auxiliary verb, so answer will be hadn't plus pronoun of subject we. Okay, I think you have understood. Okay, now I am giving you some idea about main verb, to have verb. When to have verb is main verb, so answer will be different. If you see have as main verb, answer will be don't. If you see has as main verb, answer will be doesn't. And if you see had as main verb, answer will be didn't. I would like to make you clear through some examples. I have a pen. And dear learners, you are looking have, has, and had, but you are not looking anything as main verb here. But in these three examples, you have seen past participle form after to have verb. But here, after to have verb, there is no main verb. So this is main verb. Main verb. So if you see have as main verb, you have to write don't as an answer. So don't I. Don't plus pronoun of subject I, has. If you see has as main verb, answer will be doesn't. So doesn't plus pronoun of subject. So doesn't she. If you see had as main verb, answer will be didn't. So here you are looking had, so answer will be didn't plus pronoun of subject he. I think you have clearly understood its usage. I am giving you some more informations about these usages. You are looking main verb have as and had. You can write or use these verbs like this. Okay, you can write haven't plus pronoun of subject instead of don't. Actually, don't, doesn't and didn't, these usages are called American uses. Actually we have used this style following American. Now I am giving some information about this usage. You can write actually haven't and hasn't plus pronoun of subject, and for had you can write hadn't plus pronoun of subject he plus question mark. So this style British style, actually British, and this style is American style actually. Okay, you can easily like this, you can easily write these two styles, okay, as you like. I think you have clearly understood. Now I'll give you some information about need. You are looking need. If you see need, answer will be needn't. I would like to make you clear through some examples. He need to go. Dear students, you know need is auxiliary. This is actually modal verb. Here you are looking need to, so this is modal auxiliary verb. So if you see need as a modal auxiliary verb, answer will be needn't. So you can write needn't he, and you are looking needs, need with s from. Okay, if you say need with s, you can't write needn't. You have to write doesn't plus pronoun of subject, and if you see need as first form with ed, so this is first form and answer will be didn't plus pronoun of subject he, and you are looking need not, so the statement is negative, answer will be affirmative and need not, so you can omit not and you have to write need he. So need is the right answer, need he plus question mark. Okay, you are looking need, so need is present form, need to modal auxiliary verb, but only need is not modal auxiliary verb, only need is main verb or action verb, and this is present form. For this present form you have to write don't plus pronoun of subject I. So don't I is the right answer, don't I. So I am discussing again about it. Need to, so need to is a modal auxiliary verb, so if you see modal auxiliary verb you have to write needn't, so needn't for need to, so needn't plus pronoun of subject he, needn't he, and you are looking needs, so with s. If you see s from, you have to write doesn't plus pronoun of subject he, so doesn't he, and you are looking needed is first form, so if you see first form you have to write didn't plus pronoun of subject he, so didn't he. Don't be confused, actually it's very easy. If you see need not, you have to write only need, because this statement is negative for not. So if you see not form or need to or needn't, so you have to write only need. So answer will be affirmative, need plus pronoun of subject he plus question mark, need he question mark. Okay, I need money So need is present form. For this present form, you have to write don't. So don't plus pronoun of subject, don't I. So don't I. I think you have learned something new. So no more today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.